Hi, I'm Costa. I work at Megaworks, a do-it-yourself garage in Wangara. We're here at the Holden Enthusiasts WA, shine to impress. A lot of nice cars down here today, very happy with the turnout. Everyone who's been involved have just been awesome. Just a little bit about the shop, I guess. We're a family-owned business. We got 6 hoists, 5 2-posters and a 4-poster. Yeah, we supply oils, parts, wheels and tyres, suspension, canopies, lift kits, bull bars, exhausts. We look after anyone that comes through the doors. We do red hot pricing, really try and just support the people that support us. That's a big part of what we do. We've got everything from sandblasters, parts cleaners, a bit of a heavy work area, a hydraulic press.
So this is all for anyone to use?
Absolutely, yeah.
Cost, or is it all covered in the...
A lot of it is covered. The sandblaster's extra, about $15 an hour, just because obviously the sand is a perishable item, so that kind of stuff. The hydraulic press, we're happy for people to use. The parts washer, again, perishable items, so that's a little bit extra. But otherwise, included in the hoist hire, you get a 250-piece toolkit, breaker bars, rattle guns, all that kind of stuff. We've got engine hoists, they're free to use, included with the hoist. Transmission jacks, under hoist jacks, so we make sure everyone's nice and safe. We put the cars up on the hoists, so then that way everyone's comfortable in the knowledge that their cars are up there safely.
So there's always someone here, it's not...
Correct. No, there's always someone here. There's always someone keeping an eye on people. We're always here to help. Any questions, any queries, all that kind of stuff. We got no issues helping. And, we're big into trying to supply people with the best possible parts at a good price. We do all the Penrite gear, the Motul oils and stuff. They're really great. Anything that people want to. We've sourced a whole heap of parts from across the wide variety of stuff that we get in here. There is plenty of room to move around. Even if all the hoists are fully filled up, we can get a car still through the middle here, put them up on just a regular floor jack. And if someone's swapping out tyres or whatever they may be, we can make that happen. So we're $27.50 an hour, but obviously, if someone approaches us for a week or something like that, we're more than happy to cut a deal for people. If it's something that takes 2-3 weekends for someone, they can just roll it in and out and get their work done. Saves them heaps of money. It's cost effective.
And where are we?
Megaworks in Wangara. Wangara, 41 Berryman Drive.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, www.omegaworks.com.au.
Beautiful. Cheers, mate.
Thank you. Thanks, Tex.
Nice. All right, welcome to Raw Talk, mate. Tell us about your Group A you got here.
Yep, it's a Holden Commodore, 87 model.
Yep.
It's a VL. Took 2 years to build it. Just at home in the garage. Just stripped it all down back to bare metal and done the engine as well. Done a full turbo build on the engine.
Oh, right on.
It's 3 litre.
3, yeah.
3 litre, yeah.
Yeah, good boost on it?
Yeah, it's got about 17 PSI boost at the moment.
Oh, beautiful.
I've had it for about 3 years, I think, 3 or 4 years, but it took me about 18 months to build it, just every day after work.
Oh, okay, a little bit here, a little bit there, yeah, right on. What's the interior in it? Is that all
The
stock?
interior is out of a later model Commodore, VE.
Okay.
VE seats at the front, and I've just had the rear seats matched. Custom dash, so it's been painted 2-pack.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, really dark.
And I've put a bit of Australian Jarrah.
What size tyres have you got on it, you reckon?
Tyres are just 17-inch.
Yeah?
Yeah, 245s.
Oz Racing?
Yeah, they're
Nice looking rim.
Yeah. Yeah, they were silver when I got the car, they were on it, so I just stripped them back and thought black would be a good colour to go.
Yeah, it looks
with
great.
The red.
Yeah, it all blends in nicely, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Brakes on it?
Yeah, they're out of a later model car as well, so they're VT twin piston brakes on the front.
Stand out so you can see them?
Yeah.
Beautiful. All right. Thanks a lot for that.
No worries.
All right. Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Well, welcome to Raw Talk, and tell us about your car here.
Okay, it's a 1994 Holden VR Caprice, running a 355 stroker from factory, which is a 215i.
Yep.
I bought it 11 years ago. off a car yard. They thought it was a Stato. So the guy only sold it to me for $7.99, but it had $11.99 on the window.
Right on.
So I grabbed it. And she's got a 3-core radiator that it's had the radiator for 7 years before she blew, which is pretty good.
Yeah.
So, but basically, yeah.
Can we get you to pop the bonnet?
It's dirty. She's got a big massive pod because she runs gas.
Okay, yeah.
So, yeah. And then these I got off a mate. I put 185s because when I had 215s on it, the police used to pick it so bad because it's a 5.7 litre and there's hardly any. She's got an engine bill there, but when I went on the HSV site the other day, it says I need to contact them because she's registered as a 215i. She came out with a 185.
Yep.
But the guy that bought it, made it in Sydney, he didn't get a motor in her. He just had it emptied. Okay. And he went to HDT who built the motor.
Right on.
But since it's been here, it used to go down the Ravenswood track.
Yep.
And Al Gibbs has put the cam and all in it. But he just does all the tuning and everything on it. He loves it. So, and then hubby did this. That's actually the stuff you put inside your on your vents. She used to be my daily, but now she just sits and only gets driven to car shows.
Automatic?
Yep.
Yeah. So it goes pretty well, does it?
Oh, yeah.
You love it?
Oh, yeah.
You going to keep it?
Oh, she ain't going anywhere. I've had her 11 years. She's not going anywhere. Did the custom paint job.
Right.
Spray painted by trade. So he did here and here.
Purple?
I love purple.
Right.
Look. So, and then I put the sticker on the fuel tank there for fun.
Yeah, seen that. Get it.
That was like...
That's how it is though, isn't it?
Yeah. So, and they've got the windows tinted by Tintercar. They've gone now. They used to be in Wangara.
Oh, okay, yeah.
They did it. It's, as you can see, it's light here, but it's darker there because I'm allowed. My dad was an automotive engineer, so cars are in my blood. My granddad bought me a Morris 1100, which I kept for 3 days.
Right on.
I then bought a HB Tirana with a Jack Brabham racing motor.
At the age of?
17.
Yeah? Little hoon, were you?
Oh, yeah.
Well, thanks for that.
That's all right.
Is that going to work? I can have a rocket, I want to. Sometimes it's like it's going to die. You run out on the car motor and pull it too much power. It's got power.
Here we are at Provoked Apparel. All right, selling some clothes today. What do you got?
Well, we've got a whole range of gear here. We do custom apparel, so we've got our old OG design. These are clearance because we don't do a lot of them anymore, but we have our piston design here.
Okay, front and rear. Oh, sweet.
We have a turbo design, which will be on the stubby holder.
Oh, cool. Cool.
And then we can do your custom cars drawn up onto a hoodie or a t-shirt or a crop top. We do trackies as well, duffel bags, a bit of everything. We do a lot of customisation with number plates.
So that car there is that car there.
Yes.
So any car you want.
Yeah, any car you want, you just go on the
Take
website.
a photo.
You
Yep.
upload your photo,
Yep.
and then we get it drawn up in a cartoon version, and then get it put onto your hoodie or your t-shirt or whatever you want. You can add your number plates onto the back, your Instagram onto your sleeves, whatever you want. You can do your own designs as well.
Right.
We do everything in-house, so we can do whatever you want.
Alrighty. Oh, let's have a look at a few more of your designs. Are they all the same, or you got a bit more?
No, they're all a bit different. This is our
Yep.
custom car design. So this one has all car parts built into the lettering of it. So we've got turbos, wheels, exhaust,
okay, yep.
everything. And we now have this in a block design as well, which we don't actually have here today, but is up online on the website.
All right. Sweet. Beautiful. All right, thanks for that.
Thank you.
All right, welcome to Raw Talk, mate. Tell us about your car here.
So what we've got here is a Holden Commodore 1984. Calais director. It's my wife's car, but she's a bit camera shy and doesn't want to talk. We've owned the car for roughly 15 years now.
Right on.
We bought it off the second owner from it.
Yep.
We use it as an everyday driver for probably 12 to 18 months. And then it sat in the shed for many, many, many years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Have you been doing it up yourself, or you just bought it as is? Or?
No. We've done it up. So when we bought it, it was in a pretty sad state.
Yep.
Fair bit of rust. The engine.
Really?
The engine was a lot less to be desired. That's for sure. So yeah, it sat in the shed for many years, and we nearly sold it many a times, but luckily we didn't. And we eventually got the funds together to restore it. So
It looks great.
yeah,
Is that the original colour?
that's the original colour. Yep. Asteroid Silver.
Yep. Okay.
The guys at Highs and Lows Customs did that for us. Done a really good job.
I love the rims on it.
Yeah, still a 308, still the stock motor in it. We've just done headwork, a little bit of headwork. Cam, put a 286 cam in it.
Right on.
3000 stall converter, and 355 diff gears.
Beautiful.
Coming this morning, been a massive turnout, a lot bigger than we expected. Just want to thank our hosts, Omega Works, for having us here today. So, a round of applause for them. We're going to get straight into it. I'll announce. So, the overall winner of the show today is to LS Senny, to Sean, the VF inside. It is a very hard decision, guys. So please, some really nice cars. So congratulations. The overall best sedan is the Asteroid, which is the VK at the front.
There you go. Congratulations.
The overall best Ute today goes to HSV Girl. And the best steel bumper goes to the Black HQ.
Where's Puppy? I want the photo with Puppy.